Welcome to Dragon Dictation by Krista Diamond. Today we're going to look at giving all students access to our curriculum. In doing so, we will be using Universal Design for Learning, or UDL. In doing so, we can reach all students, use flexible learning, and accommodate students' individual learning. This is a good illustration showing one book with several puzzle pieces coming out as the children learn, but notice each child had a different interpretation or a different way of processing the information. This is where UDL will come in to help both those students learn. Using assistive technology to achieve UDL. Assistive technology can be anything from a recording software or device or just a different testing for that individual student. Technology used to assist a student to perform classroom tasks, gives all students access to information, and helps students with disabilities achieve success. I'm going to show you Dragon Dictation as an assistive technology example. You notice the little boy in the picture has this huge pencil, and often that's how our students feel, that pencil is just too big to carry. Maybe they have fine motor skills that are delayed, or they have disabilities that don't enable them to be able to write their thoughts down. Using Dragon Dictation, the student would then dictate their answers. The application transcribes voice to text. You can print their text results out. In doing so, they can practice sentence structure. They will have an immediate response to the work they have completed, and it will help reduce the writing anxiety that so many of our students feel. In kindergarten, we do Kidwriting, and Dragon Dictation would be a great way to introduce and help some of our students write their sentences. It will enable the student to tell their elaborate stories. If they have a fine motor delay, it would also help them write down their sentences. Or even a student that struggles with a pencil to paper writing. Student now uses Dragon Dictation to write their sentence, and student then adds the illustration to complete their entry instead of doing it all in written form. Another way to use Dragon Dictation is during centers. Often we'll have the students listen to a story or look at a picture and give us a written response during that center time. Instead, the student would dictate their response. Then the teacher can print or just read what the response was and grade accordingly. And this, as we go on, we can encourage the student to go to the written responses and leave the dictation if they are able as their learning progresses throughout the year. Our ultimate goal is to help each student find success. All children want to find success. As teachers, sometimes we need to step out of the box to help. Let go of the motto, "I've always done it this way." Find another way to address those student needs. Help them find that success so that they can continue to learn and ultimately master the skills that you are giving them. Thank you for your time today.